Oh, sorry. You have to put your key in. Oh. You just do that?
Yeah.
Did you get a nice fat copyright claim using the cab?
Have a good one.
You too. I thought he had said have a good one.
Said you too.
To Tyler, yeah.
You know, like, wait. 35?
Going down?
Yep.
Thank you. I know, same though. Yeah. Interesting.
Thank you.
Excuse me.
I'll get you off while I cough.
Emergency exit unlocked by fire alarm. Oh yeah, I guess you can't take the stairs otherwise. Back up. Guess we go back to 35 now. Here's your name. No, you're
Nice.
there you go. Get your cab view. Now I'm gonna get a proper cab view.
Yeah, they're really nice cabs.
I guess I'll just go to lobby.
Yeah, they're really busy. It's gonna be like an 8-minute long video.
Yeah, anyway. That will be it.